Hello and welcome back to ELD Devices, your trusted source for all things trucking. I'm Bobby Ailed. If you've ever considered starting your own hotshot trucking business, this video is for you. We'll cover what hotshot trucking is, how it differs from traditional trucking, and provide an essential equipment checklist to get you started. Let's start with what is hotshot trucking. Hotshot trucking involves hauling smaller, time-sensitive loads, often using medium-duty trucks paired with flatbed or gooseneck trailers. Think of it as the go-to option for quick, efficient deliveries, often to areas where larger trucks can't go. A typical hotshot truck might carry equipment, machinery, or construction materials, and the weight capacity usually ranges between 10,000 and 16,000 pounds, depending on your truck and trailer setup. Some hotshot truckers specialize in partial loads, combining smaller shipments from different shippers into one trip to maximize earnings. That flexibility is what makes hotshot trucking unique and profitable. Hotshot trucking versus traditional trucking. Let's talk about the differences between hotshot trucking and traditional trucking so you can decide if this is the right path for you. Vehicle size and load capacity. Traditional trucking utilizes large semi-trucks capable of hauling significant loads, while hotshot trucking employs smaller trucks for lighter, more urgent deliveries. Operational flexibility. Hotshot truckers often operate as independent owner-operators, offering flexibility in choosing loads and schedules. Traditional trucking companies may have more rigid structures and routes. Startup costs. Entering the hotshot trucking business generally requires a lower investment. You can start with a used truck and trailer for as little as $15,000 to $20,000 or go all in with new equipment, spending around $6,000 to $5,000 for a new truck and $14,000 for a new trailer. Load types. Traditional truckers often carry full loads for single clients. Hotshot truckers, on the other hand, typically haul partial loads from different shippers to maximize their trips. Essential equipment checklist. Truck. A Class 3 to Class 5 truck, such as a Ford F-350 or a Ram 3500, with enough towing capacity for your trailer and loads. Trailer. Depending on your cargo, you'll need a suitable trailer. Common choices include flatbed, gooseneck, or low-weight trailers. Ensure the trailer matches your truck's towing capacity and the types of loads you'll carry. Securement tools. Ratchet straps, chains, binders, corner protectors, and tarps to secure and protect your cargo. Safety equipment. Fire extinguishers, reflective triangles, and an emergency kit with spare fuses and a 20,000-pound jack for roadside repairs. Auxiliary fuel tank. Consider installing an auxiliary fuel tank to extend your range and minimize stops during long hauls. Navigation tools, a truck-specific GPS system to avoid restricted routes and plan efficient deliveries. Tires. Upgrade to 14-ply or 16-ply commercial tires for better durability and safety, especially for heavy loads. Steps to start your hotshot trucking business. Now that you know what hotshot trucking is and what you need, let's talk about how to get started. Develop a business plan. Outline your goals, target market, pricing strategy, and financial projections. A solid plan will guide your business and attract potential investors if needed. Obtain licenses and permits. Depending on your operation's weight and scope, you may need a commercial driver's license, DOT number, and MC number. Apply through the FMCSA. This will allow you to legally operate as a carrier. Set up your business legally. Register your business as an LLC or corporation through your state's Secretary of State website. Obtain an EIN or employer identification number for tax purposes. Secure insurance. Hotshot trucking insurance typically includes liability, cargo, and physical damage coverage. Shop around to find a policy that fits your needs and budget. Leasing on or running your authority. Leasing on is ideal for beginners as you can gain experience, use existing relationships, and avoid administrative headaches. You'll take home 70–80% of revenue. Running your authority offers more independence but requires managing permits, compliance, and client acquisition. You'll keep 100% of revenue but assume all risks. Set up load boards. Register on popular load boards like DAT or Truckstop to find freight opportunities. Networking with brokers and shippers can also help secure consistent work. Establish a maintenance routine. Regularly inspect your truck and equipment to minimize downtime and stay safe on the road. Plan your finances. Budget for startup costs like permits, equipment, and insurance. Keep an emergency fund for unexpected repairs or downtime. Starting a hotshot trucking business takes planning, investment, and hard work. But with the right setup and determination, it can be a rewarding path to entrepreneurship. Thanks for tuning into ELD Devices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more trucking tips and insights. Until next time, stay safe and keep those wheels turning.